Hedera Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest in urgent news of the Hedera Hashgraph. My friends, what's this? What's going on in this time in Hedera Hashgraph? Absolutely, this update is very important for all Hedera holders. Keep watching. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. My friends, at this time the live price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.000 oh sorry 0.1800001 USD dollar. That's the price of Hedera Hashgraph in the USD dollar. And furthermore, you can see the Hedera Hashgraph price in the Bitcoin and the market cap, 24 hours trading volume of the Hedera Hashgraph, available supply and total supply. Every update, my friends, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Furthermore, let me show you the price changes of the Hedera Hashgraph. So everything is going good, and still everything is going good. Don't be disappointed, my friends. Now the urgent news about Hedera Hashgraph is that now in the last 60 minutes, in the last 1 hour, the price of Hedera Hashgraph is falls down. So I'm worrying about that, but you have to don't worry about that, my friends. I'm worrying, my friends. That's a temporary fast on the basis of my technical analysis. That's a temporary fast, and after a few hours, 2 hours, the price will again pump, and absolutely you will get profit. I know the future of Hedera Hashgraph is bright. Hold how much you hold, same like that you get good amount of profit. So hold for long term and get a high amount of profit. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and again subscribe now.